Hi guys, I am back with another video. I was told to do a what is on my LG V60 ThinQ dual screen. So first of all, I have the wallpaper in the bag. You see all the social media in the bag. I have my weather. I have my search. I have my Play Store, quick memos. Of course, I have my phone, my messages, my camera, my pictures, and my Chrome. Now going this way, I have Google choices of things you might want to see. Now, if I don't want to see this anymore, I'll put less. Like, I don't really care for that type stuff. And if I want to keep this one, I will put more. And then they'll give me more information on that. And so forth and so on. And a lot of times I get a lot of ideas from looking at this here. So anyway, that's that one. And here's T-Mobile. This is the stuff they have for T-Mobile. It's like a lot of different movies and content and stuff in T-Mobile. But if you want me to get more into that, because I'm with T-Mobile, if you want me to get more into that, let me know. And here, of course, I have my YouTube studio. I have to use that to keep up with my analytics, all my stuff that's going on. My Outlook, that's for work. My money, my bank, I have to keep up with that. My Google, of course, Google Chrome. I have my Gmail, there's my YouTube, my Drive. I use my Drive a lot. Thing be so full. YouTube Music, the movies, TV. I use Duo a lot because when I was using Apple, I use the FaceTime a lot. When I have Android, I use Duo a lot. Here's my photos. Docs, I use Google Documents a lot. Sheets, slides, Google Pay. Now on this phone, I use Google Pay. My last phone, which was Samsung, I used Samsung Pay, which was great. Google Pay is good as well. I like Apple Pay. I have the news, the notes that I want to take. Of course, you know, I like to use my pen for my notes. My calendar, my files. And I have Snapchat. Now, I don't use Snapchat a whole lot. I use it here, there, you know, everywhere. Instagram. I love some Instagram. I stay on Instagram all the time. I be lurking hard. TubeMate. I love to use TubeMate. So, for example, I might have a video in here and I decide, you know, on my phone, I clean my phone out a lot. I don't try to leave all the old videos that I made in there. Because where do I have it? I have it still on YouTube. It's going to be on YouTube no matter what. It's still going to be there. So all I have to do is use TubeMate to re-download my videos if I happen to want one for in my phone. Then I have Photo Grid, of course, you know. You make your little thumbnails and different things like that. Even your own photos that you want to put up on Instagram or you want to put up anywhere. Now my Bible. I have to keep my Bible for my daily reading, my daily word and stuff like that. Power Director. Make videos. Story Save. And y'all know I like Cardi B. I do Jania. All of them people. I'll do Story Save. I'll use that. Go in there. And it'll save this story for me. Then I can go edit and everything using UCut Video Editor. Dual screen apps. These are apps that you can use on dual screen for us playing video games and stuff like that. More of my son type of thing. Game launcher is what you'll use to launch the games on this so you can use both screens at one time. Now T-Mobile. I'm with T-Mobile. I have mobile hotspot. I use mobile hotspot all of the time. Mobile hotspot is good for, I have unlimited data on my phone. Somebody else has run out of data or they need Wi-Fi. I can turn on my mobile hotspot, or if I got another device or I got a tablet or something, turn on mobile hotspot. And now I have Wi-Fi. Name ID is when somebody calls you, it tells who it is. It can tell you if it's a person you don't want to talk to, like bill collectors, or to tell you it's a scammer. It comes up scam likely. Then I have visual voicemail. It comes up and it tells you, you know, who's calling and, you know, it'll read it out to you and everything like that. Then I have T-Mobile Play, which you just seen here. You can play different videos, different movies. what's on now. I don't want to play anything now because I don't want to get copyright. What's on now, so we're going to go out of that. And it's pretty cool. A lot of people don't know about T-Mobile Play. You can watch different things on here, different movies, different videos, and stuff like that. A lot of people don't know about that. So you need to get more into that if you're with T-Mobile. And so T-Mobile Tuesday. They're not doing a whole lot because of what's going on right now, but they do give like free sandwiches from different places, free pizzas, free gifts. You go get you a cup, you'll get your hat, a backpack. And then Digits. Digits is an app to where you want to use the same phone number on 2 different phones. You can do just that. If you want to get a different line, but you don't want to pay the whole full price for it, you get Digits. They give you another phone number for a different line. So that's kind of cool. And of course, just my T-Mobile app. Now my calculator. I use my calculator all the time. All the time. Got to keep up with my money. Got to keep up with my numbers. I don't play with that. Now here is my calendar. And I like how it's set up. Now my Samsung calendar was somewhat like this, but I think this one is a little bit better. I like the color coding and stuff like that. You know, moisturizing my hair. I got to do that. Deep condition, you know, get my meds, car insurance, different stuff that I got going on. Got to pay the trash bill, my anniversary. Like, yeah. So I like to keep up with that type of stuff. So that's all that's on my phone. Now on this side, dual screen, I set it up to where when I turn on my phone, this comes up. Before, I had my messages. I was like, no, I usually do more YouTube than anything. So I have that come up automatically. These have the same apps as that side does, but this side is just set up like this. It has the same as that one. But if you look at this one right here, the wallpaper kind of moves, but that one doesn't. But anyway, so, you know, here you do your screenshot. If you want your brightness to be controlled by both, or you want it to be controlled separately, then you do just that. And you press it there. So this is what I have going on. And I'm going to close it so that way you can see. Now when I open this and I turn it on, automatically my YouTube comes up on that side because that's what I have set as my automatic app. And here I have all the rest of my apps. Adobe, you already seen all those. Adobe. I have my Amazon shopping. I also have my Bible for Kids on here too. I book a lot of trips, so I need my booking. Got my Cashapp, yeah. Send me some money. Mainly Cashapp for me is sending somebody else some money. Nobody ever sends me anything in Cashapp. Crop my photos. I got my eBay. Got my Excel. I use that a lot. Find my device. Oh yeah. I've lost my device so many times. And I've had to use that. Wear. Galaxy Wear for my Galaxy Watch. High audio recorder. So if you want to record something that's going on, you want to be talking, you want to record. You want to take down a note and say, nah, say whatever you're going to say. Security, which is through T-Mobile. And then that's another writing app. It turns your writing into text. I love that app. It's awesome. Got my Netflix and Shield. My Office, OneDrive, that's another game. My lottery. I play the lottery, honey. I play the lottery. Have to go in here. Have to check my numbers. My Pandora. Got to listen to my music. QR codes, just in case you want to check something. Samsung Help is for my watch again. And let's see what else we got going on here. Smart World for LG. That's for like your wallpapers and things like that. Play solitaire all the time. Spotify. Xfinity Stream. Now, I have Xfinity. If I go to somebody's house and they don't have a certain movie, because with mine, I pay the full price, so I get all kind of movies. I can just connect my device to their TV and I can stream that live, whatever's going on. T-Mobile Tuesdays, love the T-Mobile Tuesdays. Twitter, don't really use Twitter a whole lot. Go on every once in a while. Update Center, you need to update anything with this app, so your phone, boom, it's right there. Video to MP3, you go from video to just the sound of the video. Voice changer, you know how some of my videos, I'm like, I gotta change the voice so I don't get copyright, boom. I use Word all the time. Word is like my favorite thing. I type up some stuff real quick. Phone companion, it hooks your phone to your computer. Anything that's on your computer is on your phone, and on your phone is on your computer. So you can get text on your computer from this, so you can get information from your computer on this. Zoom calls all the time. Got to keep that bumping. Lens, now Google Lens is crazy. Does a lot of things. You can put a menu in front of Google Lens and it will pull up the information. All you have to do is put what restaurant it is, take a picture of the menu, and if it's something on the menu that you don't know about, you kind of press it, and then automatically it'll show you a picture of what it looks like, tell you kind of what's in it, what it's about, so that way you can kind of figure out if that's what I want to do. Google Lens does a lot of other things. Y'all want to know anything about Google Lens, just leave that down below and I'll do a more in-depth video on that. LG Pay, I don't really do LG Pay. It doesn't pick up many, I guess, banks and stuff like that. It doesn't accept a lot of banks, so I don't really mess with that. Maps, I use it all the time. I use it to pin my location where I am. Like when I'm driving and I pull over, driving 6 hours, I pull over and I share my location, you know, the Play Store. Smart Switch, I use that from when I was going to my Samsung phone to my LG phone. Bitmoji, I know y'all know about that. That's another game. This right here is kind of like TikTok. You want to know more about Zen, you know, comment down below. Free prints, you can get so many free prints. So basically you're just paying for the shipping, but you get free prints of pictures and stuff like that. You just pull it up, tell them what you want to print out. They also make, you know, different collages of pictures for you. They do all that. They give you a photo album, all of that there too. So all of that is kind of cool. So now we're back at the beginning. Okay, so now before I get out of here, this here is a little sidebar that I added to my phone. In here, you can take a screenshot, write on it, everything. You can crop it. You can erase whatever is on here. You can do all those type of things. And here you save it. Here you can pick whatever size, whatever you want. You can pin it to your screen. So it has all the stuff for as cropping and screenshotting pictures. So then you swipe over, you can play media, control your media here. And here you can pick your top 5 people that you want to be able to text quick. You want to be able to call quick. So there you go. I can text or I can call him. And text or call this person, my son. Text or call my mom. And that's quick like that. So that's all that's on there. That's a little small window. And of course here, that's for my dual screen settings and everything like that. So that's kind of all I have going on my phone. And this is usually my setup for my phone. I love to change my background. Now my background does not stay like this long. It just actually got like this today. I had a different wallpaper just earlier. But anyway, this is what I have on my phone. You guys requested that. Like I said, any of these apps that you see on here that you might want to know a little bit more about, you kind of leave it down below. You kind of tell me, you know, what questions you have about it. But anyway, y'all give me a thumbs up on my video. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. Subscribe to my other channel if you hadn't already. Make sure you check me out on social media and make sure you check out my shop. Make sure you click that bell for notification of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, be blessed.
Anyway, enough of that stuff.